Modal verbs are used with another verbs and can help us to express different ideas such as ability, permission, possibility, offer, and request. Well, it means modal verbs are used to talk about possibilities, abilities, offer, request, and permission. Well, there are several modal verbs, and those are can, could, may, might, need, must, should, ought to. But in this lesson, I'm going to talk about can. So if you're new here, hit the button subscribe and don't miss further lessons. Okay, modal verb can is used to talk about ability, permission, possibility, offer, and request. Well, let's take a look at the examples. I can play the piano well. Well, in this sentence, can play. So we can see the modal verb can is used with the verb play. Can play. I can play the piano well. It's actually showing the ability. Can I leave? So in this sentence, the modal verb is can. It actually talks about permission. Next sentence. It can be hot tomorrow. Can be. So it can be hot tomorrow. In this sentence, modal verb can and be talks about possibility. Okay, she can help you. She can help you. In this sentence, modal verb can and the verb help, yes. In this sentence, it is talking about offer. And last one, can you pass the glass, please? Can you pass the sugar, please? Can you pass the salt, please? So in these sentences, modal verb is used to talk about request. So let's wrap it up. Modal verbs are used with another verbs in order to express different ideas such as possibility, permission, ability, offer, and request. And remember, the form is modal verb plus verb in the base form or bare infinitive. So here, after can, we can see the verb play, bare infinitive. Again, can, bare infinitive. Can be. Verb is in the base form. Again, can. The verb is in the base form or bare infinitive. The same, can, and the verb pass is bare infinitive. Okay, I hope the lesson was helpful. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.